Hello and welcome back to a new outdoor adventure. Today I'm in Bracebridge at Bracebridge Resource Management Centre. Last year I did the Porcupine Ridge, which is very close, but I didn't have the chance to get to this one. So let's take a look at the map. So this is the map. I am right in this parking lot, so I am thinking of doing these two reds, this black, and this black. So I'm trying to figure out how to do it, but probably I'll just go up black, green, just take this, come back, take this one, and then go down on the Narnia, and then do the crazy ghost. So let's see how that goes. Beautiful October day, leaves on the ground. I was hoping not that many with the weather. Right next to the road, Highway 11, easy to access, lots of noise. A little bit nervous about this, but let's see how it goes. Alright, so it looks like we're on top of the hill. Rational goat starts with the big slab here, continues with another slab here, and it goes down through here, and then that was close. Wow, call this slab action. Oh, it goes here. Oh, interesting. Okay. Feels pretty good. Whoa. Traditional goat, and this is pretty nice. Alright, so at the end. Okay. Sounds good. Alright, so I'm up to another trail. It says black, winter's coming. Let's see how this is coming from a rational goat. Here's this one. Looks nice. Oh, I like these slabs. Wow. I wanted to go to Ottawa, to Camp Fortune and to Quebec last weekend where it rained a lot, and then I looked at the Good Trails video at Mount Sainte Marie, and I saw so many leaves on the ground. So I thought I'm not gonna. Oh, is this the trail? Doesn't look to be a trail. I think I messed up. Alright, and we're out. Okay, that was good. Alright, so after that, I'm gonna have to climb back up to go back on the top, and we'll see what we have there. Alright, so we're here at Body Dump, right next to the entrance to the freeway, which basically goes back down to the parking lot. So I'm gonna do the body dump. Not a bad climb on the green, extremely difficult, no easy way out. Okay. Oh, that was good. Whoever can climb that, I'm gonna raise my hand to you. And I'm sure there's many. So oh, there's another slab climbing, coming. All right, end of body dump. Oh, that's why those mannequins were there. Shit. Okay. All right. I got it. All right, so we at Narnia entrance, and there is another entrance to another trail right here, which is Crazy Goat. Extremely difficult. So this is double, diamond, black. I think that one is just single black, so I'm gonna do that one first. It's also double. No easy way out. Okay. And then, yeah, so it's this way. Okay. And then goes down that way. Oh, okay. I couldn't climb this. But going down I can. At the same time. Oh. The rock is grippy. This way. And another climb off camber. Yeah. Sketchy. Very slippery with the moss. Yep. Okay, you can't do this. No, you can't. Oh, shit. I was lucky. Oh. Even my Garmin crashed on this trail. Always. Okay, I'm not sure about this one. And then what? Whoopsha! Alright, so Narnia is done. Here, down and out. Pretty difficult, Narnia. Alright. And we're out. Whew. Oh man. That's definitely a different level. I'm done with the ride. Again, the map took me, let me take a look at my Garmin. So Garmin says 8 kilometers, 837 in 1 hour and 55. What I did, let me show you. So I started here, so I took the green all the way up, and then I took the rational goat all the way up here, went like this, and I did Winter's Coming all the way there. Then I came back through here, and then through here, and then I did the body dump, and then came back through the green, and I took Narnia. So Narnia trail, well, something else, what can I say? It was pretty difficult, at least for me. So it's just like made me a little bit humble, a little bit more actually. So this is it, Bracebridge Resource Management Centre in Bracebridge. Very nice trails, nice parking lot. It's fall, so colors and lifts, so just come here and enjoy the ride. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.